What's going on, everybody? Judd Burden here from Asphalt Kingdom. Thank you for tuning into our channel today. Make sure to punch that subscribe button. Make sure to click that ringy bell to notify you as we push out awesome, amazing content to help your business grow. All right, topic of conversation today is as follows. The biggest opponent to winning is actually winning. Imagine that, right? So think about this, right? You're in a race and you start, and then all of a sudden you finish this race and it's the finish line and everybody claps and you feel this overwhelming feeling of excitement and joy for a few minutes, and then all of a sudden what happens is it starts to fade away and you're kind of like at that credit final screen that you're essentially seeing where it's like it's over. And you kind of lose the determination and the energy relating to hitting your goal. So as you're winning, just make sure you reflect a little bit on, how long you actually celebrate for before you actually get back into the grind and the hustle to continue that winning streak, which we're all trying to be on, right? Everybody wants to be on a winning streak. It's up to you as to how long you're going to continue to win or not. So one thing I noticed is it's the first of the month today. We hit all of our goals, all of our sales numbers. We actually dominated them and crushed them by midnight last night. And this morning I was celebrating. I'm like, I'm going to take the day off. I'm going to go and do something and I'm going to go and celebrate. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm actually not. I'm going to go even harder. And you know what happened? I ended up closing all kinds of incredible deals this morning that wouldn't have been closed otherwise. So remember, as you're winning, do take the time to celebrate. Don't make it too long and get back onto your winning streak. Hope this is helpful. Make sure to punch that subscribe button. Make sure to click that ringy bell. And please do comment below with any questions or even any advice for anybody else about staying on a winning streak.